Hi guys, this is Jody Cooking. Welcome back to my channel. Today I've got an amazing kitchen hack to show you guys. So I went to the shop this morning and I buy a soy sauce. But guys, I meant to buy the dark soy sauce, but I didn't read the bottle, so I get the light one. This is the one that I normally would use, the dark soy sauce, okay? So what I'm gonna do, because I want it to be more dark, so here I have my browning right here. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna remove the cap from my browning and open up my soy sauce, the light one. So I'm trying to remove the cap from my soy sauce, but unfortunately it cannot come off. Okay, so what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna take my time and pour it in my bottle. Okay, I'm not gonna pour a lot, at least 1 to 2 spoonful. Oops. That's it. That's perfectly fine. So after I pour my browning in my soya bottle, I'm just gonna press it down like so and just shake it, okay? So there you have it. Now you have your dark soy sauce. Enjoy. And guys, if you do enjoy watching this video, don't forget to share it to your families and to your friends and all over on your social media. I will really appreciate it. Don't forget to give me a big thumbs up. Until next time, bye.